Now the Peter Bunting-led Rise United camp is refuting claims that its members undermined Portia Simpson-Miller, forcing her out as PNP president. Now they were responding to comments made by Simpson-Miller loyalist Philip Paulwell, who said the same persons are using similar tactics to get rid of Dr. Peter Phillips. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
So those who are talking about Sister P, she knows them. She remembers that same man was one of those pushing her out. And the undermining continued with Peter Phillips.
Scathing critique from the PNP's Region 3 chairman Philip Paulwell about members of the Rise United camp at a meeting in Portmore St. Catherine recently. So, at a press conference on Wednesday, we sought a response.
There's absolutely nothing that is truthful about that statement.
To support that statement, Rise United's campaign manager Dr. Dayton Campbell pointed to the fact that constituency members, including Angela Brown-Burke, are integral members of their team.
Be reminded as well, Comrade Bunting was brought back into politics by Comrade Portia Simpson-Miller. So we have nothing but love and respect.
He condemned the comments made while outlining that his camp is focused on positioning the party to defeat the Jamaica Labour Party when an election is called.
Those persons on the other side have sought to misinform and create mischief by a lot of insinuations.
Chairman of the Rise United camp, Mark Golding, also made this assertion.
When she decided it was time to go, it wasn't Peter Bunting who succeeded her. Right? So the idea that we are the ones who pushed her out, it doesn't make any sense.
Meanwhile, the Rise United camp made this request of their opponents.
I do recall that the former leader said they should keep her out of the campaign, and so I use this opportunity to ask members of the One PNP team, allow the former Prime Minister the dignity of not carrying her into the political arena and allow her image to be used as a political football, because she has served her time, she has done well, and she's now in the pavilion giving her advice, and that's where we'd want her to stay and elevate her legacy, not tarnish it.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.